Hello folks, we are back and doing an inspection upon a new construction, and what I wanted to share with you is the exhaust fans in our bathroom. Now exhaust fans, we call them fart fans, but as we talked about in a lot of our other videos, they are actually for moisture control. So you want to make sure you get the moisture out of your bathrooms, mold and whatnot, so it doesn't be able to accumulate. But look here, so I have my exhaust fan, but look at this big dip. So that is actually restricting any air. So it's really not doing much of nothing, and actually going to burn out actually it'll come back and burn out your motor even quicker because it's fighting so hard. And then there's another huge sag in it, but this is not the only one. You come back over here and here's another one doing the same thing, going to this exhaust fan right up in here. So, if you don't get these things, if you got bellies in them, well, what do you think? It's not going to push that air through there. It's restricted, going to burn out your motors, could even possibly cause a fire. So this is important to make sure little things like this being done. That's why we get called, do new construction inspections, make sure this stuff doesn't happen. And a lot of times when these builders know we're showing up, they literally will not, they won't be making the same mistakes because they know they're being reviewed. This one wasn't warned, and you can tell. Well, anyway, folks, thank you for watching. I'm just showing other things here. Thank you for in this new construction here. It's a good job, just a few things. But give us a call, Galloway Building Services. Make sure you're getting the job done right, you're not getting ripped off, and you are getting your money's worth. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.